back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to bring to you a very simple crab roll sandwich. I love sandwiches and I love crabs, so what can be better? So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So this is going to be a very simple crab roll sandwich recipe, and you can see that I'm chopping up around 1/4 cup of some celery just for a little crunch. And it's very similar to making tuna, and there really isn't a exact measurement. I'm just kind of give you guys, you know, a little bit of a ballpark of how much to chop up. So yeah, I'm done chopping up my celery. That's what it looks like. And now I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to begin chopping up 1/4 cup of red onions. And I love red onions. It's also going to add a little bit of crunch and also a slight sweetness to your sandwich. Now this is the crab meat I'm going to use, and if you can't find any crab meat in your local deli section of your grocery store, try this bumblebee lump crab meat. It's actually not bad and actually pretty good. So I'm just going to use 8 ounces, which is 2 cans, and I went ahead and I drained it, and I'm just going to add it to a medium-sized bowl. Now this is what it looks like. Not bad, right? So let's go ahead and add some more ingredients so it can be really delicious. So again, I'm just going to eyeball it and add around 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. And now I'm ready to add the red onions, as well as the celery that I chopped up earlier. And now I'm just going to add around 1 teaspoon of some Old Bay seasonings. Again, you can eyeball it. If you want to add more, go ahead and add as much as you like. As well as 1 teaspoon of some black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of some fresh lemon juice. And just grab a spoon or a rubber spatula and just mix up everything really, really well. And I'm all done, and this is what it looks like. It looks so delicious, really, really good. So let's start building up our crab roll sandwiches, and I have some rolls that I just picked up from the grocery store. You can find them anywhere. You can use whatever rolls that you like, and just begin stuffing as much crab meat into each roll. And that's it. Really simple recipe. If you love sandwiches like I do and you love crab rolls, then absolutely try this recipe. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.